Hello all, I am Dr. Sridevi. What are the factors to be taken care of before consulting your Ayurvedic physician? What details you need to share with your Ayurveda doctor on consultation? Let's see. Apart from normal medical case history details, Ayurvedic doctors ask some specific questions related to the examination aspects in Ayurveda. So take care of these things in mind before your visit to the doctor. Name, age, address, gender, occupation are part of common medical data at first recorded. Next part comes as presenting complaints, that is, now what the patient feels as signs of the disease. Then the onset, duration and progress of that complaint is recorded along with any associated complaints, if any, like numbness in feet in diabetes patients. The past medical history also is asked to reveal any fall, accident or illnesses like chikungunya the patient had or had undergone treatment or surgery before. Specifically, after asking height and weight, checking parameters like blood pressure etc., the patient is asked about bowel, how the bowel motion is taking place. Is it hard stool, passing only once a day or with difficulty, like that. In Ayurveda, this is a part of Koshta Pariksha through which digestion status of the patient and Prakriti, the inherent constitution of the patient, can be known. How is the appetite of the patient? If any distaste or disinterest in food is there, for the patient are inquired to know about the Agni. In short, metabolism of the body for everything, even digestion. Status of passing of urine is also assessed to discover any color change in urine or cases like dribbling of urine and excessive urination in diabetes. Sleep pattern also is asked. Vata Kopa in the body makes sleep irregular. Mental diseases also are showing insomnia as main cause and symptom. In case of females, menstruation history also is asked. Apart from this, eightfold of examination, like examination of 5 senses and even sound, touch, sight and physical stature are included. Assessing the Prakriti of the patient is a key concept in treatment. Detailed assessment also encompasses modern investigations. Lab test, X-ray and other radiological tests are checked by Ayurveda doctors in relevant cases. Treatments are planned as per Shastra and doctors' own experience and expertise. If the patient is open to the doctor, they can get maximum possible advices and best treatment in Ayurveda.